Hey everybody, my name's Corbin. I work with Titan Plumbing and Electric, and today we're gonna be cutting open this 1999, 26 years ago. This heater was made, and I'm predicting it's gonna have a lot of nasty buildup. Let's check it out. All right, everybody, I have the 50-gallon water heater cut open. Let's take a look at what's on the inside. Oh, wow, that is disgusting. Look at how nasty that is. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look, this is the remains of the anode rod. Oh my God, it's withered down to almost nothing. Look at how terribly disgusting this sediment is. This was in someone's water heater. This is in someone's hot water when they're taking a shower, when they're cooking in the kitchen. This water, this sediment. This is why it's very important to get your water heater flushed at least once a year. Give Titan Plumbing and Electric a call at 813-933-8010 or visit our website, titanplumbingelectric.com.